flows of the land, flowing like the river across the sand, carrying the voices, the cries of the free, washing away the chains for you and for me. The river of liberation, it's calling our name, washing away the sorrow, extinguishing the flame of anger and of hatred, of fear and of doubt, flowing on forever with a righteous shout. Oh yeah, rise above the shadows, the darkness inside. Let the light of freedom be your constant guide. Embrace the journey, the path that unfolds, stories of struggle bravely told. The river of liberation, it's calling our name, washing away the sorrow, extinguishing the flame of anger and of hatred, of fear and of doubt, flowing on forever with a righteous shout. Hands joined together, hearts beat as one, under the rhythm, beneath the warm sun. A new dawn is breaking, a brighter new day, washing the darkness completely away. The river of liberation, it's calling our name, washing away the sorrow, extinguishing the flame of anger and of hatred, of fear and of doubt, flowing on forever with a righteous shout. Flowing on forever, the river of liberation, bringing us together in sweet liberation.